Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It's Chaliwawa. Enjoy guys, this is an amazing place. You can enjoy the views. That's God's creation. Guys, watch till the end. If you are new, subscribe, like the videos, comment, share. This is an amazing place. As you can see, beautiful views. The place is semi-arid, and that's nature. That's nature. That's how nature was created, guys.